Hi buddy, welcome to another Message Center update from Microsoft 365 with me, Mark Stokes. Today we're going to be talking about Message Center ID MC240303. Microsoft is presenting a new file sharing experience in Microsoft Teams. This is going to bring the file sharing experience more in line with other Office applications. And basically what's going to happen is when you try to share a file in Microsoft Teams, then it's going to give people the ability to create sharing links that provide access to anyone, people with existing access, people within your organization, or specific people, including those in a one-to-one chat group or channels. When you make when you try to share that file, it'll also check to see if users have access to that file, and if they don't currently have access to it, then it will show a warning to alert you to that, so then you can go and take the right actions to make sure they can access it. So this should have been going out before. Microsoft did announce this in fall last year, so autumn last year, for those not in America. And it's obviously been a bit delayed to ensure the best customer experience. So maybe you've heard about this previously. So it might be worth just going and updating your users, let them know what changes are happening, so they're not just bombarded with a change of user experience here. But I think this will actually be a lot better. Again, more consistency across the platform is definitely welcome. So yeah, nice easy one, nothing much to do there, just be aware this is changing, get ready to deal with any support issues that come up, but hopefully it's more intuitive for users and there's not really too much for people to think about. So okay, that's all there is on this one, so thank you very much and I look forward to seeing you next time.